Hey guys and gals, it's your girl Melanie. So today I'm going to share with you a super quick hack that I use anytime I break in a new pair of shoes. So first thing you're going to need is your shoes, obviously, and a hair dryer. Make sure your hair dryer is on a hot setting. And what this does is it's actually going to heat the material so that it warms up and molds to your feet. All right, let's do this. You only need to heat it up for a few seconds so that it gets the material softer. Once the material is warmed up, it kind of molds itself to your feet. You can use this technique on leather, plastic, or rubber, anything that is a little bit pliable. This technique also works on boots. Make sure the heat slightly warms up the outside as well as the inside. For boots, it's really helpful if you put on a pair of thick socks first before you apply the heat. And then while the shoe is warm, you slip it on your feet. And you may need to do this a couple of times until your shoes are completely broken in. But if you want to be on the safe side, take some Band-Aids or moleskin pads with you, just in case. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you try this, please let me know if it works. And as always, thank you for watching.